It's just a bit different, that one. No, don't show people your bum, you scruff. Here it is, day 5. It is a little cute fox with a little green scarf. Isn't it cute? Good morning! Welcome to Tesco again. I don't do this every morning. I just needed boiled eggs because I didn't have time this morning. It's now 7:48, we're on our way to school, and it is pooping it down. The weather is quite bad. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to report. I'll see you at school. We have made it to school. My hair, I didn't get a chance to wash my hair this morning, so it's in a poopsie tail. It's still raining. Yeah, I didn't realize my music was still playing when I'm recording. It must be because my phone's attached to the car. Right, okay, yes, I stopped off at Tesco. I forgot to take my coffee cup home yesterday, my massive coffee cup. So I had to get myself coffee. I don't do this every morning, it's just... Anyway, right, let's go in. Another day of work. I don't get any planning periods today either. So it's a full 5 lessons of teaching. Break time is normally taken up with, you know, the spillover from the lesson that I've just had. So is lunchtime really, and like lunchtime is mostly spent just making sure that I'm ready for the last 2 lessons of the day, or whatever drama has gone on, or whatever children decide to come and talk to me for whatever reason. But I would say I wouldn't change it for the world. If I won the lottery, I wouldn't be here. Anyway, let's go in. Look, there he is. I could have had 4 cups of coffee this morning. Instead, I just have to have 1. You can be down there. You can look at my double chins. I'm just having a salad to get rid of the double chins. It was reduced. It was 70 pence. And I'm so hungry. I just tried. I've got pen on my finger and I'm so hungry. I just tried licking the pen off my finger. Oh my God, I'm so tired. I've got eggs as well. More eggs. I had students on detention, so my lunch is later than I wanted it to be. But there's a coffee van outside that comes here once a week, so I might treat myself. Mission accomplished. Have a coffee. Well, I put an extra shot in. It's a mocha. I know I'm supposed to be on my wedding diet, but like, I need something to keep going. I've got 2 classes after lunch. Yeah. I'm gonna eat these as well. 2nd round of eggs for the day. Oh, this is because I'm gonna eat these. They'll stink for about 15 minutes, so the kids are gonna come in and kick off. It is pretty much 5 p.m. I'm still at work. You can hear the vacuums, like the Hoover in the classrooms upstairs. I'm still here. I've got lessons to prepare because when you don't get free periods, that means you've got to be there like on an evening preparing stuff. So, right, probably get home about 6:30ish. I don't know. We'll see. It is somewhere in the region of 6 o'clock. I've got home straight into my pajamas. Oh my God, I've got the hiccups. Straight into my pajamas. This is not really a pajama. It's just a Halloween t-shirt. It's comfy. I've had the hiccups for like 10 minutes now. It's really annoying me. Right, I'm going to work on the beanie that we were working on yesterday. Hopefully I can finish it tonight, and I'm going to hunt for a pom-pom. I might just have to use a makeshift pom-pom. There's the half. He's coming upstairs. Here he is.
Uni day.
You had a good day at uni today?
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah.
Right, you and me are going to go and make a cuppa. I don't know if I want hot chocolate, do I want coffee, or do I want a cup of tea? Do you know what I do when I'm indecisive? I'll normally picture, with food, like if you go, like, always do this, me and my sister do this. So if we were in like the Trafford Centre or something, and the choices were Nando's or Five Guys, so you take the imaginary piece of Nando's chicken and then eat it and enjoy it imaginarily. And then in the other hand, you get the Five Guys burger and you bite the imaginary burger, and then you decide which one you want. So I'm gonna imaginary cup of tea, imaginary cup of coffee, imaginary hot chocolate. I want coffee. It's honestly, if you've never tried it, it's so good. I don't know if it's just like a neurodivergent thing, because like I'm definitely on the spectrum, we know this. My sister probably is because she's related to me by default. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna have a cup of coffee, I guess. Two beans. Genuinely just attempted to put the hot kettle back into the fridge as if it was the milk. Tired. I have just sat down to try and do some crochet, and the world's clingiest cat is here. Are you demanding loves? I was going to do me hat. If I make you a hat, will you wear it? Probably not. Can I please do some crochet? I'd quite like a hat. It was 4 degrees outside today. Oh, your whisker went up your nose. This is literally us. Like, thank you. This is us for like 10 minutes every time I come in from work. 10 minutes of loves. We have to sit down and chill. We have to reset from the day. Oh, she's she's watching Passionate Kelsey. She's seen Nedgy. Do you know what? Watch this, watch this. She loves watching Kelsey. Look, there's Nedgy. She's seen him. Kelsey, if you ever see this, Chloe loves... sorry, Sneaky. Not Chloe. Sneaky loves Nedgy. I have to pull its balls off. Find the end. Wow, this is really thin. Look at this. It's really thin. I don't actually think it's going to have much of an impact on the... there's the end, yes. Not really going to have much of an impact on the thickness, I reckon. It's hairy. You can hardly see it on camera. Look how thin it is. Very thin. If I put it on my hand, very thin. Changes colour quite fast. Right, so need to pull the bands off this one. Find the middle of this one. I'm trying not to rip it. I don't know why, it's going to get binned anyway. I'm trying to help. I've got it. I'm getting more kisses. He's so kissy. So kissy. Ew, it's actually quite gross. Wait a second, you were licking your bum before. Oh, I know what you want. You're after the bloody wool. You're not chasing it. Okay, run these two together. Shouldn't be too hard. I think I'm getting better at this pattern reading malarkey because we've now done 3 shell rows. Look at the colours. Oh, isn't it so good? I can't wait till it's finished. Like, I've just bent the brim because I was trying it on my head and it fits. So, I mean, obviously, you know it fits because that was literally yesterday's thumbnail with the ribbing around my head. But yeah, this is good. I kind of went off a teensy bit. I did back loop only around the shells. I just wanted them to pop a little bit more. So I frogged. And this, the combination of these frog's really nice, like 8 out of 10 for frog, and you just have to make sure that you pull it, like pull the stitches apart and frog, and it's fine. So yeah, that's as far as I've got for the moment. What time is it? It's only 7:20. So I won't start like editing this until like, I don't know, it takes me about an hour-ish, maybe a little bit less. I'm getting faster at it now because it's like day 5-ish. Is it day 5? Yes, it's got to be day 5. I was an absolute twit, and on my thumbnail for today's, number 4 just came out for, like, you know, number 4's up there now. I'd left Vlogmas day 3 on the thumbnail, so I had to like run to the computer because I come up on the tech because we're logged into, oh my god, too many words, so in one mouth. We're logged into Other Half on YouTube on the TV, and obviously I pop up on there because I'm his number 1, you know, person to watch on there. And it popped up and I was like, oh, day 3, but that's yesterday's project. Oh crap, I've put day 3 on day 4's thumbnail, so I've had to run up and change it. So, twit moment. But yeah, I'm really liking this. It's actually really fast. I reckon I could maybe finish this. I think I need to do 8 shell rows and then I'll decrease, so I have to go back to the pattern once I've done 8 of these. But it's pretty fast. I don't know if I'm doing it exactly the way that the pattern says, however, like it's looking the same. It's fine. It's going to look beautiful, and yeah, I do like the pattern. It's just like, you know, when you set in your ways of crocheting, like I literally have a mermaid stitch hexagon cardigan pattern that I did, like, was it last year or the year before? But like I'm set in my ways with how I do my mermaid stitches, so yeah, it's just, I mean, it looks the same. It's that pattern. It's fine. So I'll check back in with you once I've done like a few more rows on this. And my little bestie, look, she's still here. There she is. Aren't you so cute? We're about to have our tea. The half has made a cooked chicken. It wasn't a chicken in a bag, was it? It was a...
No, it was a normal
He's
one.
like marinated a whole chicken and then cooked it.
My product.
His product. With all the spices in the kitchen. Anyway, this is how far I've got. I have started my... Oh my god, I'm going to kill it. I've started me decrease in rows. Because I need to decrease. Now, it doesn't mention, either I'm just being stupid or it doesn't mention the size of the hook in the pattern. And when I went on Ravelry, because I was like, maybe you should set on Ravelry, it says 4mm hook. Now, I've been using a 4.5. Isn't it so good? Look at that. I've got like maybe three more rows, and then I'll cinch it up and get ready for the pom-pom. I don't know if I'm going to finish it tonight because obviously I need to edit this for you. So I'll probably just finish it tomorrow, to be fair, because I'm not desperate for it, but it's looking really good. But what we need to do is we need to go and open the advent calendar. So I'm going to eat my tea. Chloe's just waiting for a piece of chicken. She's like desperate for this chicken. And we're going to go and open day 5 on the advent calendar. How exciting. Are you waiting for a piece of chicken? You're so greedy. And then on the other side, we've got Sneaky waiting on the other side for more chicken over there. We have made it to the craft room. I've just bashed my head. I think I've got a little lump. Anyway, right, should we remind ourselves of day 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll get day 5 out. Day 1 was very purple and pink. Day 2 had some darker oranges, some light tones, and a really dark tone there. Day 3 was adopted, apparently. Day 3 was just a bit different. And day 4 was kind of similar to day 2 in the fact that it had some darker bits and some more orangey bits. So let's go and get day 5. Here it is, day 5. It is a little cute fox with a little green scarf. Isn't he cute? Right, let's have a look. You can get a bit closer. Ready. Oh, now that's different. We need to investigate to the table. It's just a bit different, that one. Have a look. Oh, so there's less purple, but there's way more oranges and more pinkies. Wow. You have a good investigate. Have a good look. Oh, Sneaky has joined us. Hello, Sneaky. Yeah, that is very different. Very, very different. Oh, I like that. It looks very dark. Some dark things going on there. Now, I don't know if that's the madder or if it's is it cochineal? Are they called cochineal? Somebody phonetically spelled it cochineal bugs. I always call them cochineal. I don't know. The bugs that they crush up and they make various things out of. But yeah, there's loads of like pinkies. I think that might be the Kamala because it's very pinky. I mean, I could be wrong. I have no idea. Right, let's have a look at it next to the other skeins. I'll put them in order of appearance. It's going to be harder to remember which one's which. I'm going to have to put them on a piece of string. Do I have a piece of string? I've got a whole room full of string. I meant like a piece of like, string. Oh, actually, let's put them on this knitting needle. Yeah. 1. Oh, this is easier. Is that number 2? Which one's 2? Is that one 2? No. That one's 2. That one's 3. That one's 4. Wow, this is actually a really good idea. And that one's 5. Ah, right, now you can see them all properly. Yeah. I'll turn that one around a bit. My twisting skills are not great, so it doesn't look... Right, let's make it more aesthetic, because it's not looking very aesthetic at the moment. What the hell, Sneaky? You're so weird. I think that looks a bit better. There. Right, yeah, very, very different indeed. These are very unexpected. I have bumped my head. I'm starting to look like the colour of this. Wow. What do you think? Like, what do you reckon? Do you reckon there's going to be any more like this one? Is there going to be more like this one? What are we thinking so far? Are you inspired? A few people have said they are inspired to try this out. I honestly, right, I'm not really a green person. Like, I like my purples, I like my oranges. Blues are just very difficult to get to. What on earth is she doing? I've no idea what she's doing. But I thought, like, not the thought, I'm going to do like a spring dye up. So probably when it's maybe but like the end of February, and then maybe during like Easter open it up, so give it like a good, well, they only need 6 weeks, that only needed 6 weeks, so maybe end of February, beginning of March, I'll put like a little, you know, a whole jar of 30 skeins in again, but probably do it with like the Kamala powder, definitely. But I want some greens and I want some yellows, and I'm just thinking if I'm going to put purples in, if I want it springy, I don't really want it with dark purples, so maybe we could find a way to water down the purples. I mean, that one, I think that must have been far away from the purple. I don't know, we're going to have some really good experiments next year. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if like the whole craft room is just overrun with skeins of experiments. It'd be so good. So yeah, the next time we see blots, I mean, I would order them online, but I'm the kind of person where I like to have the excitement of like going there and getting it and being like coming home and being like, oh my god, look what I've got. So I like to go there and have a look, and because there's such an assortment of colours and powders and bark extracts and dyes and everything, and plus Blotsman is there, so I'd want to talk to him and just say, what do you think about this? I mean, I could take some skeins and show him, unless I have actually made a shawl out of this by the time I go to the next show. I did say it was virus that I'm looking to do, but I don't know, I'll see what all the skeins look like, because to be honest, I washed them, dried them, and then I gave them to other half and he put them in here, so I'm not really sure like how, if there's any more like this, or how many there is, if there's any like that, how many there is, if there's any more like, if there's any darker than this, that'd be cool. But right, yeah, so that's those. What day is it? It's Thursday today. It's Friday tomorrow. You'll see this when it's Friday. I'm just thinking, so Saturday is the warehouse event. Hopefully tomorrow evening I should have finished me hat. I'm thinking about 3 rows and a pom-pom away from being finished. But I mean, I could actually go and work on it now. After I've edited this, I could. I don't know. I could. I'm tired. I'm very tired. I was trying to put the kettle in the fridge earlier. I'm honestly beyond tired. If you haven't already subscribed, do consider hitting the subscribe button. Also, give this video a like or a hype if you like it. I will link the last few days' vlogs below if you want to catch up on them to see all of the beautiful skeins emerge. Tomorrow, what are we doing tomorrow? We've been to Home Bargains already. I did actually go to the range. I could stick in the range footage. It was kind of from the end of November-ish when we went to the range, so there was a few Christmassy bits, so could stick that in for you. What on earth is she? She's having a bath now. She's crackers, honestly. I am just about containing my excitement for Saturday. Like, honestly, I cannot wait for Saturday to go down to Leicester. I know loads of you are also going to M&A Stationers on Saturday as well. If you haven't heard of the Secret Yarn Warehouse event, it's M&A Stationers. They are on Facebook. If you go and check out my Secret Warehouse event video from a couple of weeks ago, I'll link it down below so it's easy for you to find. Just click more and you'll see it. It'll be in amongst all the blurb. But yeah, so have a look at that. All of the details for M&A Stationers are below. They regularly update on their Facebook to let you know what time things are happening at. There will be samosas, there's yarn, there's samosas, there's good prices. It's going to be so good. I do happen to know that Linda and June from the Disley sisters are going. Do you know what it is, right? I actually dreamt that we were already there. And I was there and there was a cup of tea van outside and I was trying to buy them a cup of tea and they were like, no, we don't want a cup of tea. And I was like, drink the tea, I'm being nice. I have crazy dreams when I'm exhausted. I hope you're enjoying this crazy Vlogmas. Today wasn't as crazy. We made a hat that looks lovely. It wasn't really crazy. But the skein was crazy. So yeah. Right, I'm going to put these back in the advent calendar. I think I need to let this cat run around the garden. She's gone a bit wild. What are you doing? What are you doing? No, don't show people your bum, you scruff. Anyway, right. Right, I'm going to get going because I'm tired. I need to edit this. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to see you tomorrow for day 6. Bye-bye.